Choosing the wrong screen recorder will not only cost you time and money, but it will also affect your production quality. Hence why in this tutorial, I'm comparing the 3 best screen recorders: Loom, Descript, and Tella. All 3 screen recorders are highly rated, but all have their pros and cons. And also, I would say that they have different use cases. We'll be looking at the pros and cons, use cases, pricing, and so much more. So be sure to stick around until the end. And if you decide to try either Loom, Descript, or Tella, I've left link in the description that you can use to sign up for completely free. First, let's discuss their pricing. When it comes on to Loom, you can get started for completely free, and then from there you can go onto their first plan, which would be for $15 per month, and their most expensive plan would be for $20. With Descript, you can see right here, you can also get started for free, and their monthly plan begins at $24, and it can go up to $65. The most affordable of all 3 would be Tella. With Tella, you can get started for $19. All 3 platforms offer free trial, but Loom, when it comes onto the free option, I would say that it would be the best option. If we were to talk about features, Loom would be the last choice. And I would say that out of all 3 screen recorders that we are comparing now, I would say that Loom finishes third. The reason why I say this is both Tella and Descript offer numerous features. They offer AI features, and they are also beginner friendly. When it comes on to Loom, Loom is basically the screen recorder that started this whole trend. With Loom, you can use it to record your screen, and you are given only one layout at the moment, which is a small circle where you can place it at either the bottom of your screen or wherever. With Descript, you are given numerous different layout options. You're also given different AI features. And one of their main standout AI feature is the eye correction option, as you can see right here, which will help you to correct your eye contact when you're recording. And also with Descript, you're given numerous other editing options. If you don't feel like going on camera for a particular video, you can simply create an avatar, and you can use your avatar to do the presentation. If you want AI to create a tutorial for you, you can simply tap on generate a video, and it can do that. It can also generate a transcript for you, and there are numerous templates you can select from. And when it comes on to editing, the editing is unmatched. All you need to do once you have uploaded the video that you like to edit, you can simply select the text. After you have selected the text, from there you can either choose to correct it, or you can delete the text. So we could select the text right here. Then you can simply right click. After you have right click, you can tap on delete, and editing is as easy as that. If it is a case that you would like to add a B-roll, you can select the section that you would like to add the B-roll. Then you'll simply tap right here, and you can see different options. So for example, if I would like to add a GIF as the B-roll, I can tap right there and I can search for the GIF that I'd like to use, and it will automatically add the GIF as a B-roll. You can choose to either upload a video or so on. You can see it right there, and we can edit it. So you're given numerous options, and by going over to the right hand menu option, you can see further editing options that you have. If you want to remove the background or change the background, you can do that. And if you're wondering which screen recorder I'm using at the moment, I'm using Tella to record this tutorial. And Tella, not only is it the most affordable, but it is the newest on the market, as Descript and Loom are more established. But the reason why I would recommend you choose Tella is, if you have a small budget, you can go with Tella, and if you're just looking for a dedicated screen recorder, Tella would be a very good option. With Tella, it is also easy to get started. They offer 2 options. You can either use their web browser, meaning you don't need to install an app. By simply going on to tella.tv, you'll be able to do that, and it is available on both Mac and Windows device. So you can download the app if you want. I would recommend you download the app, as once you have the app, you're given more features, and it is also more user-friendly. A major standout feature that I like about Tella is you'll be able to read a transcript. So for example, let's say you want to jot down the different points that you'll be talking about in your tutorial. Tella allows you to add speaker notes, and the speaker notes is not visible on the screen to persons once you have recorded it. So that's a major standout feature compared to Descript and Loom. Another thing, when it comes onto Tella and editing, it is the same as Descript basically. What do I mean by that? For example, if we were to select a video, after you have selected the video, from there you can tap right here on Cut from the right hand menu option. After doing that, you can select Transcript. And just like Descript, you can select the words that you would like to remove. By simply selecting the words, you can tap on Delete from Video. And that's how you'll be able to edit your video. You can edit it just like what you will do a Google Docs. Another standout feature when it comes onto Tella is they offer AI features which will allow you to find mistakes, remove filler words, and it also offers different layout options. What do I mean by that? The layout option is by going over to the right hand menu option. At the moment you can see it is showing only the screen, but I could tap on a different layout and you can see how it looks right there. So compared to Loom that only allows one layout, which is the circle, with Tella you are given numerous options, and also with Descript you are given numerous options. The only pullback that I would say with Tella is some of the time, even when I use the audio enhancer, the audio is still low, so I would need to place it in, for example, an external editor to increase the audio. Compared to Descript, once you edit it in Descript, that's it. It is good to go. Another thing that I don't like about Tella is unless you toggle on edit faster, you realize that once you want to edit a video, you will see it lagging. But otherwise on that, it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and it also combines both tutorial videos and also for business use. So if it is a case that you're a person that want to create videos, for example, to share as proposal, or you like to embed them on your website or email, you can do that. With Tella, you'll be able to create a call to action button, so you can tap on share in the top right hand corner and you can see different options. You can also put a password on your video. You can choose to embed it, so it offers the best of both worlds. So let me quickly recap. When it comes onto Loom, I highly rate Loom, but it is the past. With Loom, it is best for business owners or persons that are creating, for example, internal videos that they would like to share with other team members or marketing strategies. As you can see, it mostly focuses on business features. If you were to either hover over solution, they are targeting engineering, marketing, and product management. While they target business owners, Tella still beats them when it comes onto targeting business owners, as Tella offers all of those features and more. And you also get the option to create tutorial videos just like what I'm doing now. When it comes onto Descript, I would say that it is the best of all three. In fact, I would consider it the best screen recorder on the market at the moment in 2025 going into 2026. The reason why I say this is you are given numerous layout options, numerous editing options, the most advanced AI editing features, and also you can add in avatars. They also have an autodub option, which will allow you to use AI to copy or better yet recreate your voice. So if you would like to make a change or you like to add an additional line, you can do that with Descript. So hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you'd like to try out either Descript or Tella, I've left links in the description that you can use and that will help to support the channel. Thank you for watching.